Have you had a hard time earning money from home? Let's talk about that. Hi, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Eileen Judd, the BusyMoneyBee. I'm a mother of 4 and I know what it's like to live on a tight budget. I post money-saving videos every Tuesday. So let's get started. I have been looking for ways to make money on my extra time as a stay-at-home mom for many years. I'm going to share a list of things that I have tried and actually work. Number 1, UserTesting.com. This is a website where you can test websites and you are accepted to test based off what you know and what you actually do. The website will record your voice as you're going through and explaining what you're doing and how you like it and your comments, and it will record the screen. Most tests pay for $10. At the most, in one sitting for about 2 hours, I made $60 in one sitting. And that is just me consistently trying to sign up and sometimes hit those hot spots, sometimes you don't. So sometimes I've earned $60, sometimes I've earned $0, sometimes I've earned $20. Sometimes you can earn more if you're actually spending more time trying to apply for the test. But it's something that I've actually have made some money off of before. I still do make some money off of it now. How much you make actually depends on your area of expertise. For me, as a stay-at-home mom, I am limited on how many things that I actually can do website testing for, but for people that are engineers or tech savvy or working in like the food industry or whatever, there's more tests, it seems like, for them. But still, I'm able to make a good amount of extra income for my family and me to live off of. Number 2, Lionbridge. As a mobile research reviewer, my contract actually just ended. I was with them for a year and I absolutely enjoyed it. It allowed me to work whenever I could and whenever I wanted in small chunks of time. The tasks were from 1 to 10 minutes long, and I got paid $12 an hour, and I could have potentially made $400 a month, and I was allowed to work about 10 hours a week. And so if you're looking for something that you can just do to help your family, but you can't really talk or have noise around you, can't really talk and have a whole bunch of noise around you, then this type of job would be perfect for you. So I'll have a link down below where you can click to apply. It's definitely it was worth it for me and my busy life. Number 3, selling stuff on eBay. I used to sell a lot of stuff on eBay. I still sell some things on eBay, but there are plenty of places to sell stuff. People get appliances for the cheap and then fix them up and they flip them and they sell them for more money and they make a profit. Depending on what you sell, you can make a little or a lot of money. It helps to do a little bit of research on what's trending and what's out there. Number 4, Rakuten, formerly known as Rebates. Now, necessarily that you get paid from Rebates to work, but you get paid and get a percentage of cash back when you shop. And so every little bit helps. It's sort of like having, it's basically a rebate, and you're just getting your money back. And you can make a lot of money, especially during their like 4 times cash back times, so it can be worth it. I will have a link down below where you can sign up and you can actually get some cash up front, about like $10 or $15, when you sign up and use Rakuten for the first time. Number 5, donating plasma. My husband has done this and has done this for twice a week, and in a lot of places you can make up to $700 a month donating plasma, but you need to make sure that any medical conditions that you have or any medications you take won't affect this or won't affect you. But most of the time people are generally okay, but it doesn't hurt to ask questions to make sure that everything is a-okay. I hope any of these tips will help you earn extra money for your family. For more videos like this, press the like button not to miss out on my videos. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Until next time, happy savings. Bye.